Hello everybody, welcome to See Sky Nature's daily asteroid video updates. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, it will be most appreciated, thanks. Hope you all are doing well and that you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. Today we are going to look at the asteroid 2014 QH33, which will approach Earth on Friday, March 4, 2022 at 00:26 hours UTC, nominal lunar distance of 25.08031 LD and diameter of 40 meters to 95 meters, so enjoy the telescopical view, and thanks again for being here.